pagka ganon, there's something terribly wrong. And as a matter of fact, I would say, kung may mga blanco yan lumusot, that is not a valid legislation. Kung nasa batas na yan, lumabas na yan ng blanco-blanco, either it could be filled up before or after sa Congress, pagkaputol-putol yan o may kulang, that is not a valid budget for implementation as law. Malikot ang papel sa gobyerno, so do not try to, for those enterprising or whatever you want, wag mong gawin niya kasi talagang kung sa opisina kita, barilin kita. Totoo, para mo akong pinahiya. At pagtawanan ako ng mga congressman. Barilan ka agad para wala ng istorya. Luko-luko trial ba tayo?
The president, he knows that you cannot pass a GAA without with a blank. He's lying. He's lying because he knows perfectly well that that doesn't ever happen. Sa kasaysayan ng buong Pilipinas, hindi pinapayagan na magkaroon ng item ang GAA nang hindi nakalagay kung ano yung project at saka ano yung gastos, ano yung pondo. So, it's a lie. Meron namang kopya that's available on the website of DBM. Tignan ninyo, huwag na ninyo busisihin isa-isa. Hanapin nyo yung sinasabi nila na blank check.